And this is partly thanks to our specialised breeding program. Now, the aim of our show today is to introduce you to a few of these species, teach you a little bit about them, and hopefully have some fun along the way. So we're going to start the show with Chico. Now, Chico is a blue and golden macaw, and one of 17 macaw species that originate from South America. Now, Chico's going to open the show for us by raising the flag. Good morning, Chico. Now, the parrots you see here at the show were once somebody's pet, including Chico. In fact, 75% of all parrots brought as pets are reclaimed within the first 3 years. There are many things to consider before considering macaw as a pet, and Chico would like to explain what some of those are. So, Chico, what's the first